We're going to show you today on how to remove a V3 cooling unit and retrofitting a V5 cooling unit. First, you have to remove the grill right here. It's eight screws. And then remove the top shroud from inside the cooling unit. Once you remove the screws from the front and the shroud, just take out the bracket, okay? Unplug the cooling unit. Now we need to remove the little side panel right here in order to remove the whole cooling unit. Here you have to remove 3 screws. Plus there's a screw right here that you have to remove in order to move this track. Once you remove the screws, all you have to do here is just lift up the track. There's a little pin right here, push it in. And the track will release. Once you do that, you can take out the little cover here. And this little part right here will come right out. Once you do that, you can pick up the shroud. Pops right out. And then you can see the barrel fan and the condenser. Now all you have to do to lift out the barrel fan is just lift it and it pops right out. Okay, now we're going to be removing the cooling unit. First, just pull this part out, the front condenser. Okay, pull the harness wire up. Pull out the condenser like so. And as one whole piece, just bring it out. Just be careful not to damage the copper wiring right here. Okay, now we're going to be removing the old barrel fan brackets and the condenser bracket. There's this one here and there's one in the back. As you can see, in the one in the back there's 4 screws and there's 2 here. Once you remove those, we will put the other ones back in, the new retrofitted ones. Now we're going to be putting in the new front and back brackets. As you can see, there's one here with a hole. As for the new barrel fan, the V5 barrel fan has a little rubber that goes right here. And then the back bracket, it has the 4 screw holes, plus it has a little slit here for the new condenser. Has a little slit on the side, and this is for the metal shroud. Once you've installed the new brackets, you can install back the cooling unit. Once you're ready to put in back the cooling unit, all you have to do is just slide it all in. Be careful here so it won't hit this part of the condenser, and then just push everything in. Once you have everything in, just adjust for the condenser in the back. Make sure that little back slides into the slot and it goes right in. There's 2 screws, one here and one here, for you to screw in and bolt down the cooling unit. Excuse me, the condenser. Once you have the cooling unit in, we're going to be installing now the barrel fan. As you can see right here, there's 2 slots here at the top and on the side. And as you can see inside the machine on the side, there's 2 little bolts. So all you have to do is slide it into the side, like so. Slide it into the bolts, so the bolts get held. Then you grab the shroud, the metal shroud, and then you slide it in. Make sure the tab at the end goes into the slot there. Then you just screw in the two bolts here, two nuts. Now, once you have that put in, we have to replace the side here. Now, you have to put back this part. Slides, all it does is it slides right in. Okay. Then we're going to be replacing back the little plaque that goes on the side here and the track. So once you do that, we'll replace the track. Once you replace the plaque here, all you have to do is replace the track. Excuse me. All you have to do is slide it in. Just push it up the tracks, let it fall down, and this is the little screw that goes on the bottom. Once you place that back in, everything is done. All you have to do is replace the bracket that goes here, and then the little top, the front here that goes that covers the cooling condenser and the barrel fan, and you should be it.